Expected sir and madam, and my dear friends, a pleasant good morning to one and all. Myself K. Sharantesh Roy. I am pursuing 10th grade at Loksit Tutorial. Today I want to present interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I want to say complete seminar about environment. Before starting the seminar, I want to ask one small question. Will you say? Yes. What is environment? Yes, of course. Environment means the process of the physical and abiotic components which are involved in the our daily life is known as environment. It is a mixture of animals, plants and humans and all gases which are present in our environment is known as the all mixture of environment. This all we will observe in forests. Do you know what are forests? It is a land which was covered with plants and animals. Do you know what are pyramids? Yes, the pyramids are. It is a triangular in shape, which looks like mountains, which are we observe mostly the pyramids in Egypt. Based on the pyramids, some scientist Charles Morangen named that food chains. Do you know what are food chains? Food chains means the process of the food relation between one tropic level to another tropic level is known as food chain. Do you think what is tropic level means? The tropic level means the process of eating food one organism to another organism in the same relationship is known as food chain. Shall I say one food chain? Yes, trees, deer, tiger. This is first food chain. Shall I show the picture of that food chain? Yes, 1 second. Yes. This is a picture of first food chain. Trees, deer, tiger. The first first organism we known as producers, which produces food. That organisms is known as producers. Second producers is known as first carnivore, and third carnivore is known as top carnivore. This is the first food chain because in this three relationships is there, so that only we call this. Next, actually in a food chain there are 5 stages. One is a producer, second one is a primary consumer, third one is a secondary consumer, fourth one is a tertiary consumer, and fifth one is top carnivore. Based on this, I will give one food chain. Shall I show the food chain? First, grasshopper. It is grasshopper. It is grass. It is frog, snake, and eagle. This is the example of 5 stages food chain. Do you know what is biomass? Biomass means the chemical components which are originated in the organisms is known as biomass. It is based on life in the organisms. This is known as biomass pyramids. These pyramids we will observe mostly in plants and animals. In humans also the pyramids is there. Do you know what are the pyramids? Yes, of course. Grass. Next, hen. Next, humans. This is a 3-staged pyramid. Next, shall I show 5-staged pyramid? First, grass. It was eaten by cows. Cows will give milk. Next, the milk was converted into curd. The curd was eaten by humans. This is five-staged pyramid. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Next, shall I say the next stage in all the forest pyramid? It is nothing but food relation between animals. This is the food relation between in biomass period in forests. Like this, the food crop hoppers. Next, frog, snake, eagle, snake, owl, snake, peacock, and frog crown. Do you know what is crown? Yes, it is white in color. It kills the aquatic animals. Next, coming to sparrow camphene. Sparrow camphene. Do you know what is sparrow camphene? Sparrow camphene means the camphene which was caused because of sparrows in year 1978. This all the stage was occurred because of sparrows. Because the sparrows, the day by day the development was occurring. Because of development, the sparrows are also extending. So that only the sparrow camphene was held in America. Are you understand, friends? I hope you all are understood, friends. Next, EDWR. EDWR means, do you know what is EDWR? EDWR means Adilabad Water Reservoir. Adilabad, do you know where Adilabad is located? Adilabad was located at Hyderabad, nearer to Hyderabad. There a dam is there. In that dam, the silt formation was occurring, increasing day by day. So that controlling of silt formation in the Adilabad reservoir, this movement was started in the year of 1972. In the dam was built at 1959. In between 30 years only, the much silt formation was occurred in Adilabad reservoir. So to cure that silt formation in the Adilabad reservoir, this movement was started. This all the things which was occurred in our society, in our country, this all our greenery is known as environment. I hope what is environment? So that save our environment, friends, save trees, save water. Thank you for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.